close one, shoot him. Shotgun. Just stand right here. Just wait. Stand right here, just wait for him to come up. Get some free kills here. As soon as he kills, I come right to you.
Red team gain the lead. Double kill. Blue team gain the lead.
Very close game.
Red team nearing victory. Red team gain the lead. Gain the lead. 5 minutes remain. Red team gain the lead. Blue team gain the lead.
Okay, cool. So I pulled the
Red team gain the lead.
one time loads, huh?